And we're back for another episode. I'm sorry for the cliffhanger again, but yeah. I don't want the episodes to go like over 30 minutes, and it did look like it was gonna be, so... We are no longer Epsilon. We have been granted even greater power. We are now we are Advanced Epsilon. And now Zella's the goalkeeper, if I haven't noticed. There you take us on, Ryman. Did Genesis order you to play us? They gave us no orders. It's Lord Valens and the team's desire to fight you. Indeed, my only wish is to enjoy the simple pleasure of playing you once more. The excitement, the tension, it was as if my blood was boiling. And okay, I gotta stop with that voice, because this voice is actually hard to do for me. Mark, no, it's too dangerous. We can't take them on, can't we, coach? Mark! Well, if you can't beat them, there's no way you'll be able to beat Genesis. Do not underestimate us. Our new powers make us every bit as powerful. No, you don't. No, don't. No. So he's the guy from Aliens Academy everyone's been talking about? That's right. Hey, let go, Hurley. Hurley Kane. Axel, I know you're going to be watching. I hope so for you. She's calling. Close, mate. Yes, it's time. Put the plan into action. Oh, she knows. Oh, she knows stuff. Nice. I thought you might need us. Whatever could it be, right? What did she take from his room? Spoilers. Okay, it's level... Hurley's level 30? Damn. He just started playing football. He's already level 30. That's how fucking good he is. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take the executive decision to get Polyarm, who hasn't learned a defensive technique yet, to the bench, whilst Nolan has. What's the Valen up front? You're about to witness a real Epsilon. The Valen isn't really a keeper at all. He's a natural born striker. His shots are too powerful, though. He can win a match on his own. It's no fun. That's why I usually put him in goal, to stop him shooting at all the time. So yeah, he's the third alter ego. Part striker, part goalkeeper. Yeah, he is really good at striker, which could be problematic. Yo, that logo is so cool. The red alias orb. So yeah, they put Hurley where I wanted him. There's a lot of wind and grass on the team. There's no fire yet. What level are they? I am so glad I leveled up. He has the same moveset, that's kind of sad. Dun. But I say he is the only one with an alter ego. His team might as well, I just don't recall, so hey. They should have made all the aliens alter egos. Because they have real lives too. YOLO, let's start with Astro Break. A wormhole. I think I'm supposed to win this, so easy, he says. Okay. Go, Eric. Eric learned. Oh well, something I won't be able to show yet. Go, Hurley. Meteor shower. Boom. The wall. No, fuck. Interesting enough. Leg. Bobby. Lead us to me, Sean. Let's go. Okay, so this is a story. They're in a power struggle. Frost is trying. Eternal Blizzard. That's easy. Don't have to put my effort into blocking that shot. Or my TP. Yikes! No, how the... What kind of keeper can stop Eternal Blizzard just with just one hand? Didn't Valen do that too? Yeah. What's the matter? I can't let him... Okay, so what's happening? Are we benching Sean? Yes, we are benching Sean. Woo! I would have liked to have the other guy on the bench then. What's he called? I forgot his name. Lol. Yeah, you know what I mean. I totally forgot, damn. Sanford, yes. God damn it, that took long. But we'll take Sue. So we are allowed to win challenges, so we are allowed to win this game. Prima donna. Which wins. Which is nice. Very nice. Kenville. Nice and dancing with us. Okay, close. And we're fired up now. I got a fire in my belly. That's through. Break. Okay. Can we get past wormhole? No. We cannot. That's unfortunate. Maybe not completely worthless. Would have liked it if they were completely worthless, not gonna lie. Sliding tackle. Should we get past? Alrighty. Butterfly trance. Oh, she's doing it with the M. Aww. It feels laggy. The game might be lagging. Have you quite finished messing around? Good, then I have a little test for you, Mark Evans. Fam, I was in his shot! I feel betrayed. I am betrayed. You won't get past the fisted? Yo. Always trust on the homies. No way, man. The three of you stopped it. Come here. How can a shot be that powerful? Well. Well. There's gonna be a lot more powerful shots in the future. Yeah, I'm fine actually, I think. We did it. The three of us managed to stop the shot. Ow! We did it, Mark. The way you moved, there was something different about it. Yeah, I think it just worked out how to pull off Fist of Justice. You just twist your body like this and... Ah! Ow! Mark! Oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear. No. Flashback! You all know what he said, like, oh, your sister is in trouble if you play for Raymond or if you help defeat us. I think we know. If not, that's a spoiler, but I don't think it's in the game. Mark. Hey, fire football dude. Supposed to be Mark's friend, right? If you're watching, why don't you come and help him? Do you even care anymore? And that hurts, fam. That hurts. No. What? Axel, he does care. Well, come, I trust him. I'm surprised you still have the strength to speak. I thought we'd finish you off. We're not finished yet. What? Yep. Come on, Drew, give it up. You're not even good for target practice. Mark. He got up. We're not finished yet. This is just like that time. Actually, your shot is amazing. I'd love to play football with you. Would be a super strong team. Also, I don't know if you saw it, but there's like a glitch on the bottom of the screen where like the lighting isn't not good, and it's weird. It's messing me. It's distracting me. Yes, that's it. One more time, Raymond. Show us what you're made of. Nah. Fuck it, Julia. Forgive me, I can't. I can't stand by and watch my friends get hurt any longer. Yo, look at that. Yo, look at that. The laugh. Man has a beard. Down, down, down.
Sorry to keep you waiting.
Yo.
Why break the habit of a lifetime?
Yo. The entry, man.
Axel!
Axel!
Better late than never, I suppose.
Yo.
Axel!
So this is Axel. What an entrance. He's well blooming cool. Hey, and it. One time I will agree, Darren. There's one time we'll agree. Axel joined you. Yeah, thanks. He's only level 31. No, he's low. Please put Axel on your team. Who's gone? Who's gone? Sorry, Cornish, bud. Yeah. Please put Axel on your starting lineup. No problemo. Can I equip? I can! Nice! Plus 7 kick. I promise pendant, and we'll give it more control. Oh yeah, well, lol. Whoops. Even without boots, he had like a higher kick than Sue. Axel, Markai. Welcome back, Axel. Thanks. So this is a famous fire dude. We've heard so much about you. About what kept you back. We'll talk later. Let's win the match first. Yeah, buddy. So Axel, let's keep our minds on the match. We will win. Yes, sir. Okay. Mega moves. Gungnir. Aye. Quite a cool looking move, to be honest. I will block this shot, and I will get... That's what he said in the first game. Camino. Okay. I did it for justice. Lego! Mega moves. Thought it was gonna be a punch move. Because it is a punch move, but... yeah. Nowlin. Jude. Janus. Axel. Go on, Axel. Stick it in the back of the net. Here it comes. Fireball. Storm. Let's fucking... 62! TP! God damn! Fireball Storm. What a banger. What a banger. No shot. Homeboy. Such an entrance. Backret's Storm. Whoa. Axel's back to his best. It reminds me of the first time I ever saw him play. Hey, no kidding, man. Man makes the grandest entrances. I'm sorry. Wait, you don't need to worry about your sister. She was under Alias Academy surveillance, but she's quite safe now. Really? Are you serious? I am. I just received a call from the Secret Service. They've taken her to a safe place far away from the prying eyes of the Alias Academy. Sir, your sister? What's going on, Axel? We'll discuss that later, after Blaze has taught these aliens a lesson. Thank you. Don't mess with the Blaze, fam. Da-dong. 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 Can I charge through? No such heavy metal. That's quite a cool move, to be honest. I thought it was called gravitation. No, that's something different. That's not a move. My bad. Come on, Alan. Show us your defending prowess with Land of Ice. Hey. Don't. Oh, they're firing up? Extra break. The last one I can shoot, and it's not gonna go in because fired up, but hey, at least it will make Cell lose his last TP. Wormhole. I'd say that's worth it. Maybe you're not completely worthless. Janus. Okay. Jude. Back to Janus. Who's gonna pass it back to him, apparently. On pure normal kick, can we score? Even though he has attack advantage. We cannot. But he punched it in a corner, so that's kind of funny. Alrighty. Just for the vibes, fire tornado. Whoop. Save that, little bitch. That wasn't very nice. It was very mean. I am very sorry. So, you're not a little bitch. You're a big bitch. Lol, thanks for the pass. Ah. Charge. Hey, nice going, DM. Let's let Jude like just handle the illusion balls with this guy. Makes no sense because it's just in the evolution form of Sky, but hey, that should be the end. Yep, there it is. They were like just running to it, but it was too late. Yeah, that's victory to us. Curses, we've lost. Or something. I didn't really read it. That's experience. And a lot of it is going to King, who's ooh, Frost and DM learn new moves. So that's gonna be Cosmic Blast and that's gonna be Free Shot. Aurora Dribble and Astral Belt. I was wrong on both of them. Let's go. Aurora Dribble. Huh. I didn't remember Frost learning that. Or like that form of Frost. We won. We won. Mwaha. Mwaha. Excellent, Rhyme 11. He doesn't seem to care. Your skills have surpassed my expectations once again. I hate you with every fiber of my being. Not very nice. And yet I feel so alive when I play against you. I understand now. I began to enjoy football. That was my biggest miscalculation. The Fallen. Warriors of Epsilon, are you listening? Yes, Lord Fallen. He can no longer return to our master. But let us always praise him, and let us always praise Ailey's Academy. Long live Ailey's Academy. Long live Ailey's Academy. Why not just say all? Farewell, Raymond 11. Until never again. Until I scout you. I'm falling. Next time we meet, I hope the Raymond 11 can make you enjoy football even more. Food. That's a beat. Thank you. Huh, you're thanking her? If you hadn't let me go when you did, I may have become one of them. What do you mean, one of them? Let me explain. So, because I kind of have to go, I'm going to explain it for you guys. So, they wanted Axel to join Ailey's Academy, therefore holding Julia and Thing. But yet he disappeared because he was gone from Raymond. Therefore, the aliens realistically couldn't, well, they couldn't find him. Which was good, because he could train in peace in Okinawa. Until now, where he's back. And Julia is safe. Luckily, people like the Secret Service, and Lena knew, so... Lena knows a lot of things. They're finally ready. Ah, god damn it. So they also apologize for not knowing and, like, kind of feeling bad that he left, but yeah. What's been going on, eh? Everyone's really improved. Yeah, mega moves. Mark, calm down, sorry. So yeah, he was here with like a friend. A sudden urge to play football. Nope. He really hasn't. Oh. Alright, where do you think you're going? If you'll not talk to me, how about playing me instead? Fancy a challenge, Axel? Let's see if you really are the perfect striker. I'm not perfect. Chicken, eh? It's sad. What is? I can see that you're carrying a great burden around with you. I'd like to take you on someday, but it will have to be the real you. The ones that are inside you. Aww. Axel's so special. Right next. I wonder what Coach Lena's up to calling everyone together all of a sudden like this. Never mind that, what's the clown doing here? As of today, Ollie's official member of the team. Let's go, man! Glad to be here, dudes! So yeah, they're figuring out that he's like a year older, and he's like their elder. Yeah. Which in Japanese means he's their senpai, which means they have to speak to him with respect. It's in the Fuji Forest, Genesis must be there too, so make sure you're well prepared. Their main hideout? Oh my god! This is very sudden. I wonder if Coach Lena knew all along? Yes, probably did. Meanwhile, these people realizing it's coming to an end too. I hear that you lost track of Blaze's sister. She was the only hold we had over him. My humble apologies. They fucked up. Yes, sir. Gazelle. You disappoint me, Wiles. Aw, not very nice. Next on just must defeat Raymond. If you cannot achieve that, you are of no use to me. Damn. Understood, sir. Well. He's not very happy. Ha ha ha. He's laughing. Axel says that she's of no importance. They've already lost something far more important. Ha 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 ha. Okay, that was weird.
We finally make it to the Alias headquarters. Can we pull together once again and win this one? Find out more in the Genesis Menace. That's how Raimond do it.
Okay, so anyway, that was the end of the episode. Thank you all for watching. If you have enjoyed, please do leave the like button. Subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment of what I can do better or what you think I did really well. And I will see you all next time. Bye!